Welcome back in Tech AVP channel. So today's topic is data type. Really important topic. In last tutorial we discussed about the variable, how many types of variable and how we can define the variable. So let's recall the variable. Variable is a named memory location and it stores the value. Okay. How we can define the variable? How we can define the variable? Int. Just give me a moment. Int a equals to 10. This one is our variable. Okay, here int is a data type. So today we are going to discuss about this one. What exactly this one? For defining a variable, data type plays very important role. Okay, got it? So what exactly mean data type? Data type means data data type define what kind of value a variable can hold. Okay, what kind of a value variable can hold. Got it? What kind of value a variable can hold. Just variable. How spelling you can check. Just give me a moment. Let me. Oh, I don't know what exactly happened with this one. Oh, just give variable. Okay. What kind of value a variable can hold, and what kind of operation can be performed on it, and what kind of operation can be performed on it is defined by the data type. So basically we have two types of data type is primitive data type and non-primitive data type. So if we talk about the primitive data type is byte, short, int, long, double, float, boolean, char. Char means character. If I want to store some character, then I have to use char. Okay, and non-primitive data type is string, array, classes, and interface. Okay, string is a collection of your characters. String is a collection of your characters. Suppose I want to store a numerical value. I want to store some roll numbers of the students. In that case, what I can do? Then I'll use integer data type. Then I'll use integer data type. And if I want to store some alphabets A, B, C, D, E, F, then I can use char data type. And if I want to uh, judge the statement, this one is a true or this one is a false. So in that case, I have to use boolean. And if I want to store some decimal value, then I can use float. Got it? And some long integer, then long data type. Okay. Okay. Let's do some practical. First come on the integer. Int a equals to 10. Okay. I want to store some integer value. Then suppose I want to store a roll number or student's roll number. In that case, I have to use integer data type int. Okay. Okay, got it. And if I want to store some bytes or short data type, then I have to use byte or short. Byte b equals to 1. Okay, and every data type have some default values and some length. Okay, see, if I want to store 1000 million or 100,000 millions, then what I can do? In that case, int will not work. In that case, I have to use long. See, let me do this one. Oh, did you get the error? And what it say? The literal 1000 of type out of range. So it has some default value. And in that place, what I can use? In that place, I have to use long. L equals to, let me copy this one and paste this one. Okay, so it has some range. It has some range. It have some range. Okay, see, it have some range. After this one, this will be throwing the error. Got it? And if I want to store some character, then char c equals to t. Got it? And if I want to store student name, then what I can do? In that case, I have to use non-primitive data type, and non-primitive data type is string s equals to tech ivp, tech ivp. Got it? Got it? But in the with the char data type, we can't store this string, but in the string we can also store this one. But the thing is that here string data type is always enclosed with the double quote, and char is always enclosed with single quotes. Got it? Got it? Okay, got it. And array data type, array is also data type. In upcoming tutorial we also discuss about this one. What is the array, why array is required? Okay, array are created with the help of primitive data type. Array, if I want to declare some array, then I have to use here primitive data type. How we can use? For example, int arr, okay, and this one 10, 20, 30. In that way I have to be use array. Suppose char, okay, chr, let me call this one equals to this one a comma b comma c. Okay, got it? So array helps primitive data type. Array takes help from the primitive data type for the defining perspective. Also array, we can also define array string arr, okay, equals to this one tech ivp. In upcoming tutorial we also discuss about in detail string array interface. And the next one is a class. What is a class? This one, guys, your class. Class is also a data type. This one is a user defined data type. Class is a user defined data type and consists variables and method. See here what this class will be hold. This class will be hold methods, variables, multiple method can be kept under the class. Let me create a one more method, public static void a. Okay, this one is your method. A class can contain your methods, variables, and also your logics. Okay, got it? So guys, this this is complete about data type. I hope you understand what is a data type and what crucial role important plays data type in the programming. Okay, so for more interview questions, please stay tuned with this channel. Like, share and subscribe this channel to get more amazing stuff about SDET role interview question. Goodbye, have a nice day.